Introducing the all-new 3000-watt garden shredder by Hyundai Power Products. With a powerful 3000-watt motor and high-speed cutting disc, it shreds branches and foliage fast. Weighing just under 13 kilograms and with large wheels, it's easy to move around your garden. Safety is built in, with overload protection and a double safety interlock system. Tackle debris up to 45mm thick and collect it all in a generous 50-litre box. The 10-metre power cable gives you the freedom to work without extension leads. There's even an included hopper to help contain debris. This shredder comes with everything you need right out of the box. Backed by a 3-year domestic warranty, it's reliable, powerful, and built to last. Clean up your garden the easy way with Hyundai.